Hi, looking for a sales representative with good communication skills, able to handle customer complaints effectively, and willing to work for various hours. If you do, I should like to be considered for that position, for I have such qualities which are indispensable if a company has to be progressive. I am Berlin Agustin, a student of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management at Polytechnic University of the Philippines. I am not an activist, but I am eager and willing to provide a company profit. I can make those through my skills, such as specialized basic fundamentals of managerial and marketing skills, knowledge of mine that will surely guarantee my easy adjustment to your company. For you to know, I also develop patience, perseverance, and firmness, qualities that every company is seeking for. So I recommended you hire me before someone else will do. Again, this is Berlin Agustin, and you may get in touch with me through my contact number 0933-600-8228 or email me via berlinagustin@yahoo.com. Thank you.